Chapter 31 Charismatic Cricketers. It is a thrill to play cricket and watch it. The game fosters team spirit, disciplines, and brings out the quality of the leadership. A. Pictures of some famous Indian cricket players are given below. Write the names of the players below each picture. You can take help from the help list. 1. Virat Kohli. 2. Jasprit Bumrah. 3. Yuzvendra Chahal. 4. Rohit Sharma. 5. Shikhar Dhawan. 6. Ravindra Jadeja. Let me answer. Who is your favorite cricketer and what do you like about them? Info bits. Sachin Tendulkar started playing for the Indian cricket team when he was only 16 years old. He holds the record for most Test 51 and ODI 49 centuries in the world. B. Test your cricket know-how by answering the questions below. 1. Which former hard-hitting batter is also known as the Nawab of Najafgarh? Virendra Sehwag. 2. Which former Indian Test captain was nicknamed the Wall? Answer: Rahul Dravid. 3. Under which captain did India win the 2011 ODI World Cup? Answer: MS Dhoni. 4. Which former cricketer of India is also known as Little Master? Answer: Sunil Manohar Gavaskar.